Did you know that one man's love of art may have changed the entire course of World War II? In 1907, a young Adolf Hitler applied to the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts, dreaming of becoming a painter, but he was rejected. Twice, the Academy found his work lacking in talent and creativity. Imagine if they had said yes. Hitler might have spent his life painting landscapes instead of plotting world domination. After his rejection, Hitler became bitter and angry. He blamed others for his failures and developed extreme ideas about race and politics. He moved to Germany and slowly built a following of people who shared his hatred. By 1933, he had risen to power and began his terrifying plans. The Academy's rejection didn't create Hitler's evil nature, but it certainly pushed him down a darker path. Sometimes the smallest moments in history have the biggest consequences. One art school's decision helped shape a war that would cost over 70 million lives and change our world forever.